Welcome back. So today I'll be unboxing this Hirono Echo series. So this series is created by Lang, and I wanted to get one of the Hironos because I think I've never owned a Hirono. So let's see if I like it or not. So let's unbox this. So here you can see all the 12 designs. I would love to get this Got You and Staying Up and Pieces of Memory is my favorite. And then Night one and Journey in the Rain and Piece of Memory is my favorite. And then I would like to get this Eaten and yeah, and the Hiding Behind You would be okay, but I would love to get Journey in the Rain and Pieces of Memory or Staying Up. These three are my favorites. And Secret, I don't think I would want a Secret because I don't like it much. So that is how the packaging looks. Very edgy, rough, and sort of street style. And I love the way they have written the font in like a typewriter sort of font. So let's open it up and see how this one looks. So here it says Pop Mart and Hirono Echo series figure. It's sort of a paper bag, sort of a packaging, and it's really cute. I love it. I like it. So let's just see what's inside. So it's cute. I didn't mind getting it, but it's cute. I have nothing much to say about this. So yeah, it's a good pull, I would say. I got a nice one. So this is how it looks with the card. That's a card. I like the way they have illustrated like a sketched up image of Hirono on the card, and it looks pretty nice. So yeah, it's a cute one, I would say. He's wearing his like pajamas, sleep pajamas, and he has like freckles. But I don't like the fact that he is like looking sad, and those eyes are really realistic. And I like that Hirono has like even slightest of details are drawn, like made in nicely. And there you can see some note written and stuck on his sleepwear, and then these stitches and marks and these paper stuck and those tape marks. It makes it look really nice, and that cute little face on his hoodie or whatever you can say. So yeah, it looks nice. That's how it looks. Pop Mart logo there. Every little detail of Hirono is nice. So I'm not sad with this pull. It's nice. It's okay. I thought I would get the rain one. I wanted that one. It's one of my favorite, but I don't mind getting this one. So this is my first Hirono figurine, and I think I would get one more. So what do you think? Is this your favorite figurine? Do let me know in the comment section below. So that's my Hirono, my first ever Hirono, and it looks really adorable and cute. So I really have nothing much to say about him. Just the fact that it's something which I didn't want that much, but it's okay that I have this. So that's the Hirono I got, and I like it. I like the way he's looking sideways. So yeah, do let me know if this figurine is your favorite, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, have a nice day.